Hello, my name is Amanda Mayer, and this is my presentation on a few of the parks in West Virginia that my family and I frequently visit to get outside. Ardress State Park is located in Buchanan, West Virginia. This park is the perfect place to hike, picnic, or spend a night camping. When you visit Ardress State Park, make sure you at least hike out to the boardwalk along the Cave Trail. The boardwalk takes you underneath and along the mountainside. Another activity to enjoy on a warm summer day is to go swimming, tubing, or fishing at the Middle Fork River that runs through Ardress State Park. Chestnut Ridge Regional Park is located in Brewston Mills, West Virginia, where there is something for everyone in the family. There are 5 hiking trails that are total over 9 miles. Kids events offered throughout the year and pavilion rentals are just some of the things offered at the park. The park offers RV hookups, modern or rustic cabins, or be adventurous and do some tent camping along the lake. It is a great place to take kids for their first camping trip because there are bathrooms and the park office located nearby. You can be out in the woods but still be close to modern amenities. There are 2 lakes located in Chestnut Ridge Park. In the summer, you might want to take a swim in the lake located by the park office, or you might want to go fishing and relax. If it is your first time fishing, let the staff know when you catch a fish and they will give you a certificate. Other activities that you can do is catch salamanders found in the lake. It is a great place to learn about and see different types of animals that might live in the lake or in the woods around the park. On Saturday night in the summer, the park offers outdoor family-friendly concerts. You can always find a friend to talk to and kids dancing and running around the stage. Make an evening out of it and bring food for a picnic or purchase food at one of the food trucks that attend. Lastly, Chestnut Ridge Park is not only a place to visit in the spring, summer, or fall, it is also a great place to go in the wintertime. Spend a Saturday afternoon sledding down the sledding hill. They have a snow machine, so even if there is no snow in Morgantown, there will be snow on the mountain. If you are in Morgantown, you must take time to visit Cooper's Rock State Forest in Brewston Mills, West Virginia. Cooper's Rocks gets its name from the fugitive who hid from the law near what is now the Overlook. While you visit Cooper's Rocks, make sure you spend time hiking and exploring the trail around the rock face. Other activities include a guided rock climbing and rappelling, or even a zip line canopy tour sponsored by WVU Adventures, or even go fishing at the lake. You can find the Core Arboretum in Morgantown, West Virginia, right past the WVU Coliseum. Start at the top of the hill on one of the trails through the forest. The trail will lead you down to the rails or trails or even down to the riverside, but be careful, those drop-offs are steep. Mason-Dixon Historical Park in Core, West Virginia is publicly owned 295-acre park that was established in the 1970s. It offers 6 different hiking trails, a mountain bike trail, log cabins available to rent, and an amphitheater that offers summer concerts. While you are at Mason-Dixon Historical Park, make sure that you visit the state line at the 3rd Dunkard Crossing, where you can stand or sit in Pennsylvania and West Virginia at the same time. Be in 2 different states at one time. Continue on your hike through the fairy garden. While on the hike through the garden, look around. You may find many fairy homes that have been built in the trees and in tree stumps. See how many you can find hidden in the garden. When you visit Seneca Rocks in West Virginia, remember your hiking shoes. You can take a 1.5-mile trail through the mountain up to the observation platform. The trail, even though it's uphill, is not that difficult because it is made with steps and switchbacks to make it easier. Drive down to Valley Falls State Park in Fairmont, West Virginia. Enjoy a picnic, even take pictures by the fall, or get married at the gazebo overlooking the falls. The West Virginia Botanical Gardens can be found in Cheat Lake, West Virginia. It has 7 hiking trails that is open to the public to explore nature and be outside. Try not to fall in when crossing any of the 3 water crossings. Those rocks can be slippery. While you are at the West Virginia Botanical Gardens, stop at the Fairy Garden. Here you will build your own fairy house using material that you find in the forest. West Virginia is full of adventure. These are just some of the parks that we have visited throughout the year. Don't let the wonders of the Mountain State go unnoticed. Get out and enjoy everything that it has to offer. Country roads, take me home.